Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration, and then go to phone ringtone. And here, click on phone ringtone. And now you can come along with all the ringtones, system ones. Let's start with carousel. And let me choose, for example, Morning Bird. Once you choose the sound, click on Apply and confirm that you would like to select this sound. And as you can see, from now on, you've got a brand new tune as your ringtone. In my case, it's Morning Bird. Then you can change it whenever you want to, so it's all up to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.